Yeah, hi, my name is Anand Vignesh. I am coming from Pondicherry. I have completed my aircraft maintenance engineering in Hyderabad Flight Tech Aviation, and I worked in the flight dispatch team in the aviation field for past 5 years. After 5 years, I planned for start a business. So that time I hear the drone license is available and to start a business in the drone using providing the services in the inspection field. So I have reached the Telangana Aviation Academy for the training, and I got to know through one of my cousin who is already done here, and now I have completed my course here today, and I will be getting the license after successful completion. So once the certificate is provided, then I will be used in my own business for inspection field. Thank you.